Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler. Today we're looking at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. Stock number 28259T. This one is black in color. It does have the heat reduction hood. Really nice in that Rubicon. Fog lights down here in the bumper with the red tow hooks. Nice set of 17-inch wheels. Heat reduction fenders. These are trail rated. Powers locks and mirrors. Lumbar control, that's something new to the Jeep. This has premium leather, black leather interior, red stitching. They did a really nice job on these JLs. Let's take a look inside here. Got a touchscreen, red on the dash. Really sets the interior off real nice. Got your window controls, front sway bar disconnect. Cruise control settings. Got all your phone settings and settings for your dash cluster here. 4-wheel drive. Got a nice little Jeep on top of the shifter. That's kind of cool. Let's go look in the back here. Now remember, these things have a 3-piece Freedom hardtop. Meaning if you wanted to take those front 2 panels off, you could, or you can take the whole thing off. The doors are also removable. And a nice little redesign here. Electric window controls here in the middle. The rear climate, rear air vents, That red stitching in this black leather really sets it off nice with that dash too. Keep in mind these back seats do fold down, so if you ever needed to get more stuff in the back there, you got plenty of room. You have plenty of room to do stuff, camping, whatever you want to do. Put your stroller in here for the kids. Whoops. Nice little center console they made into the headrest here. Real nice little feature. Rear backup camera, standard on the 2018 models. JLs, sorry. The rails here are nice and painted. Little 12-volt area here. Some storage. Now something really cool about this storage is you get this little tool kit, but when you take off stuff like from the door hinges, all the bolts go there. When you take the roof off, all the bolts go here. Windshield, that is now only 4 bolts versus 28 in the old one. They all can be stored real nice for here in the back. It's got a water fording measurement here on the back tailgate. Red tow hook back here. Very nice vehicle. Jeep did a really good job with this redesign. Again, this is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon, stock number 28259T. My name is Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.